Hey there, what's up again, YouTubers? So it appears that my that aunt of mine has left, due to some rage, and you can hear my grandma, sobbing or sobbing like a psychopath. Yeah, and that terrifies me quite a bit. So if should my aunt truly have left, I would have a lot of hard work to do, or maybe I might even have to flee from this household, to launch another exile session for myself in order to save my own life, because because of the COVID-19, the mandatory, COVID-19 test. And I perceive that such procedure highly resembles the mark of the beast, and that's why I refuse to take it. And both my grandma and that aunt of mine, strived against me for such decision. So yeah, I just don't know what would happen to me, to this household. And I see, they are more or less hypocrites. Maybe that wicked woman has more goodwill than they do. But it's all still my own perception and speculation. Judging by what happened, today, whereas it was supposed to be another peaceful and productive day of my life, but still, I can hear, or at least I can feel the demons inside me trembling me and tempting me to use the kitchen knife to commit suicide or do some stupid shit. So they might just, my grandma, just now said, she wants my help to rise up from bed and leave this apartment. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I just need to check out my grandma.